Hi, welcome to Cafe Di Luna's Kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna show you guys how I make my firecracker salmon, and these are all the ingredients that I prepared. First, our marinated salmon with salt and pepper, and then we are also gonna use 2 tablespoons of sriracha, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. We are also gonna need a olive oil, a tablespoon of chili pepper flakes. We are also gonna use minced chopped ginger, pressed garlic, and a teaspoon of paprika. Let's start it. So here is what we're gonna do. Let's just put this aside, and then in this bowl we are just gonna combine all our ingredients. Okay, soy sauce, sriracha, and then the red pepper flakes, ginger, the garlic, the paprika, and then we are also gonna use some olive oil, and then stir it like that until all combined. Okay, so let's just put this back here. And then, you know guys, if you guys going to marinate this for longest hours, the better taste, because it's gonna get all the ingredients go through it. Okay, here is just what we're gonna do, and then let it just sit for about 15 minutes before we're going to start searing them. It's also good if you're going to bake it, but I am going to sear it. Okay, it smells very yummy. Go. So here is my firecracker salmon. Smells very yummy. I'll let you know guys when I'm going to start searing them. Okay, let's start searing our salmon, the firecracker salmon. Okay, let's just turn on our stove to high heat. This is just gonna be smoky, so I'm gonna turn on the fan. And then we are also gonna put olive oil now. Okay, let's just make our olive oil hot before we are going to put our firecracker salmon, just to make sure that they are not gonna stick in the pan. So we're just gonna put upside down. Okay. We are going to stir them 2 minutes each side. Let's just flip them over. We just don't want them to get overcooked. Make sure that they're You guys can also like bake them in the oven if you guys kind of like doesn't feel like to stir them. You guys can also bake them for about like, it depends on the size of the salmon. Okay, in a minute they're gonna be done. We don't want them to get overcooked. We don't want them to be like a fish jerky. Here is my firecracker salmon. They smell so good. Delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.